Hello? 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 Yeah. Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss about second unit. Second unit consisting of divided as two parts. One is, kindly note down why, because whenever we'll discuss something, I will share the notes after completion of class. But content of the unit is important. Why? Because you have to write down which topic you have to study. Okay. So unit 2 is divided as two parts. Two parts. One is machines. Second one is measurements. So in these measurements, electrical measurements, only electrical measurements. Okay. So here, for the exam point of view, you will get one question from this topic. You will get one question from these topics and one question from this topic. You cannot get two questions from this topic. Okay, you can get one question from this topic and one question from this topic. So you have to study both. Okay, electrical machines you have to study, electrical measurements you have to. For example, otherwise electrical machines 2 questions, electrical machines 2 questions, electrical measurements 2 questions. Maybe. Okay. Generally, as of now, if you observe last year question paper, you will get one question from the machines, one question from the measurements. Okay, right. So machines. So in these machines, what we will study? So this machines is further divided as DC machines and AC machines. Okay, DC machines and AC machines. So in these DC machines, you are having DC generator, DC motor. Okay, so DC machines you are having DC generator as well as DC motor. AC machines means one is transformer, induction motor, okay, and a alternator. Okay, so these are the topics. So no need to worry, it is very huge topic. We are having 10 topics or 15 topics. No need to worry. Actually, for this you have to study about principle of operation of above machines. For all machines, what you have to study? What is the principle behind the working of these machines? For example, DC generator, what is the principle? Just you have to know 3 lines. DC machines operating principle, DC generator operating principle, transformer operating principle, okay, induction motor operating principle, alternator operating principle. Just on which principle it is working, you have to know on which principle it is working. Second one is construction. Okay, construction of all above machines. Okay, maybe as far as your syllabus is concerned, induction motor, alternator is not there. Mainly Okay, this DC machines is very very important with respect to exam point of view. Okay, so you may omit this induction motor alternator. Okay, this is less importance. Less importance means don't omit, but you give, okay, very very less, 10%. Okay, and remaining all are very very important. You have to study total this one. DC machines, in this DC generator, DC motor, what is the construction, what is the principle. Okay, AC machines, in AC machines, transformer, what is the construction, what is the principle. Induction motor also, induction motor alternator, I think only you are having principle. What is the principle, in on which principle it is working. Okay, and one more thing. So this unit consisting of problems also, problems. So in these problems, EMF equation of DC generator. Okay, this is derivation and problems. And in this transformer, EMF equation of transformer. Okay, problems. Okay, so this is about a brief idea of second unit. So in electrical measurements, so in this electrical measurements, only a single topic, that is what is meant by PMMC and MI instruments and one bridge. So these are the three topics. Okay, so it means from this you have to give the equal importance to the these topics, DC machines, and it's a very small topic with respect to electrical measurements, only three topics. So you will, if you study these three topics, you will get one question. Okay, what is meant by PMMC, permanent magnet moving coil instruments. Okay, what is meant by MI, moving iron instruments. So principle of operation of PMMC instruments, principle of operation of moving iron instruments, and then what is meant by Wheatstone bridge, how it operates. So these are the topics. Okay, in the second unit, if time permits, I will complete that electrical measurements. Otherwise, we will complete this total thing today. Okay, we'll study one by one. Okay. What is meant by machine actually? Okay. What is meant by machine? Okay. So machine is nothing but it's a electrical device. It's a electrical device or equipment. Okay, it is an electrical device or electrical equipments which will convert one form of energy into another form of energy. Okay, so electrical machine means it is a equipment. You can say it is a equipment. You can say it is a, if it is a small, you can say it is a device. Okay, so it is a device or it is a equipment. So you can say this is a machine. This fan is a machine. Okay, why? Because it is a electrical equipment. Electrical equipment. So you can say it is a machine. Okay, so machine is nothing but it is a electrical device or electrical equipment. So which will convert one form of energy into another form of energy. Simply if you take this fan, okay, what is the input of this fan? What is the input of the fan? Simple, what is the input of the fan? You are giving electrical power. Yes, whenever you are switching on, you are giving electrical power. So input is electrical power. Whenever you are switching on, what happens actually? Whenever switching on, if it is off position, it is stationary. It is stationary. Whenever you are switching on, what happens? So this fan starts rotating. Rotating. Okay, so it is rotating. So it is now electrical energy. You are giving as a electrical power. So electrical energy into rotating. Rotating is nothing but mechanical energy. So electrical energy into mechanical energy. Best example. Okay, so that's why. So a machine is nothing but which will it's a equipment or device which will convert one form of energy into another form of energy. So here one form of energy I am saying. What is the name of that actually in general? Which form? So generally, so further depending upon this, okay, which type of energy? So depending upon the energy we are converting, okay, these machines and depending upon the supply we are using, okay, we can categorize as DC machine and AC machine. DC machine and AC machine. What are the, why we are divided? Why? Because there are two supplies are there. One is DC. DC is nothing but battery. Battery. Okay, in our household, in our phone, okay, wherever we are using battery, that is nothing but DC. Okay, so DC machine depending upon the supply. AC machine. AC machine means it is a AC machine. Why? Because input is AC. So AC. So depending upon the supply, we are classifying as DC machine and AC machine. So here a DC machine. Hello. So DC machine is nothing but which will have the DC power. AC machine is nothing but which is nothing but AC power. Okay. So now here I am saying one form of energy into other form of energy. So in this DC generator, it is classified as, again, why? Because there are two type of energies are there. One is electrical energy, other one is mechanical energy. Electrical energy, mechanical energy. So first one is DC generator. Okay, what do you mean by DC generator? I will tell. Other one is DC motor. Okay, so here also AC machine, also AC generator, AC motor. Okay, again this AC machines, one more machine is there, that is called transformer. Okay. So here what is meant by DC generator now? Okay, generally machine after that it is a DC machine, AC machine, and then in DC machine we are having DC generator and a DC motor. Then what is meant by DC generator actually? So DC generator means generally the meaning, the definition. Okay, it is a, we are giving DC supply. Okay, it has to be, why? Because machine, it has to be converted one form of energy into other form of energy. So DC generator is a machine or which will convert okay, generator mechanical energy into electrical energy. Okay, so DC generator means which will convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Motor, you can say it is a motor. You can say it is a motor, AC motor it is. Why? Because we are giving AC supply. We are giving AC supply. Input is AC input. So electrical energy we are giving. Electrical energy we are giving. Output is mechanical energy. So motor is nothing but electrical energy into mechanical energy. Electrical energy into mechanical energy. Okay, so electrical energy into mechanical energy is nothing but motor. So if we are using DC power means DC generator, DC motor. If we are using AC means AC generator, AC motor. So this fan comes under AC motor. AC motor. Why we are saying it is a motor? Why we are saying AC motor? We are giving AC supply for our household. We will get the AC supply, 230 volts, 50 Hz AC supply. So it is a AC motor. AC motor. The AC motor means which will come under AC machines. Okay, so induction motor. So depending upon the unit, I said AC machines, induction motor, alternator, and a transformer, AC. Okay, so this you can say it is a induction motor. AC motor means which motor? Induction motor. Okay, so why? Because why we are saying that instead of AC motor we are saying this ceiling fan as an induction motor means, so there is a principle of induction. So induction motor will say this one. Okay, right. So these are the main topics. Then actually, so here I said I written in previously DC generator, principle, working, construction. Okay, and EMF equation of the DC generator, DC motor, principle, working, and okay, principle, working, and construction. Okay, so this is about total DC machine, and in this we will get one formula, one problem, that is EMF equation. Generating, what is generating? Electrical energy we are getting. Output is mechanical energy, the input, mechanical energy into electrical energy. So mechanical energy means what? Input as a rotation. Input as the rotation. Output we are getting electrical energy. So whenever power switch off, what will do? We'll switch on the generator. Yes, whenever power off, what will do? We'll switch on the generator. Okay, what will do? Generator, what will do? Generator, mechanical energy into electrical energy. Mechanical energy into electrical energy. Electrical energy means power. Whenever there is no power, what will do? Switch on the generator. That is the AC generator. AC generator. AC generator means which will convert, generator means which will convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Okay, so it means mechanical energy means in the form of rotation. So input is rotation, rotating, we are rotating something. Okay, we are getting output as the electrical energy. So the main idea of the generator means somebody rotating and we are getting output as the electrical energy. Okay, motor means we are giving input as the electrical energy